channel. In today's video, guys, it's gonna be exciting because as you can see, I just recreate the makeup of Jennie from the BLACKPINK. And yeah guys, papakita ko sa inyo dito, may picture na lalabas dyan kung ano yung ginaya kong look niya. And
disclaimer lang guys,
this is just an inspired makeup look. So I didn't transform myself to be just like her, and hindi yon yung aking mismong ganap dito sa video to. Ginawa ko to because I'm inspired sa makeup niya. That's why I just recreate her makeup. And yeah guys, this is how it looks like on me. So ginaya ko lang yun mga beshi wapsa. Huwag nyo sabihin hindi mo naman kamukha si Jennie. I know. Hindi ko tinransform yung sarili ko to be like her. I just copied her makeup. Yeah guys. Dami kong explain. So yeah guys, if you wanna know how I did this look, just keep on watching. And if you're a fan of BLACKPINK, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share my video sa mga iba pang BLACKPINK fan dyan. And yeah guys, just keep on watching. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So yeah guys, I already washed and moisturized my face. And yung gagawin ko is, I'm gonna moisturize my lip first. So, unahin muna natin is yung kilay natin. So, yung kilay ni Jennie sa BLACKPINK is super duper simple lang. And parang straight lang kasi yung kilay niya. And I don't know how will I do that. So, I'm gonna try my best. So, I will use the Lustrous brow gel. And this is how it looks like, guys. So, yung gagamitin ko. Proceed to the face. For my face, the foundation I'm going to use is this Maybelline New York Dream Satin Skin, and I'm in the shade PO3. So I'm done with my face. Ngayon, isa-set ko lang siya, and ito yung gamitin kong pang set. For my blush, ang gagamitin ko is this Maybelline New York Color Show Blush. Ito yung gagamitin ko kasi yung blush niya doon sa picture na nakita ko is light lang. And ito lang yung pinaka-lightest na. Highlight na tayo. So, napansin ko dito sa picture niya is super light lang nung highlight niya, kaya yun lang din gagawin natin. So, gagamitin kong highlight is this Curl and Strobe Stick, kasi ito yung favorite ko. And yung highlight niya doon is parang ganito yung shade niya na makintab talaga. I think 3 shade lang yung eye makeup niya doon, but super bongga talaga ng eye makeup niya. So, yun, i-recreate natin yung makeup. Eye makeup niya. So, una kong gagamitin is this ED Chocolate Palette. And, kukunin ko yung shade na ito. Kasi, ito yung napansin ko sa kanya. Ganyan yung medyo kakulay nun. Tapos, gagamitin ko lang din yung fingers ko. Lalagay ko siya sa buong lid. Hindi naman super buo. Dito ko siya lalagay sa babang-baba ng aking lids. Bili na pink palette. So, ang nakita kong shadow niya is this one. Medyo may nakita kong ganyang shade sa kanya. And ipag-mix ko na ito para medyo maging light. Kasi medyo light yung color niya ganito. And yun. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa center ng eyelid ko. Okay na ito. So, ganyan yung eyes niya. So, ganyan na nga po yung eyes niya. So, i-curve ko lang yung lashes ko. And magmamaskara. For my lips, ito yung gagamitin ko, the Vivid Tint Water. Konti lang ilalagay natin. Ganyan lang. Then, papatungan ko siya ng EB matte in the shade Sexy Nude. Ganyan. I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Hi guys! So, here's the final look. Hey guys, overall, I really like the eye makeup. And yeah guys, if you like this kind of video or if you like Blackpink, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. Yeah guys, peace out. Thank you for watching. Bye!